Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the Thankful mini album that we made. This is a take on the Soft Spine album, and this was a different take on the November Kit Club project, which is this one right here, the mini in the bag, and here is that Soft Spine mini for the Kit Club that we did. So this is a different take on it. Same mini album, just like you see here with the soft spine using the Bobunny collection, but this one is a little bit different. This one has a closure, and this one's using the Authentique's Gathering paper line, which is really another beautiful paper collection. But what I love about this one is that it's not necessarily fall. You can use it for any occasion. I'm going to give this one as a birthday gift, so I think it's perfect for a birthday, or any family style album would also be appropriate for this paper collection. So let me take you through this mini album. Of course, I use the leaves because I do love the way that it looks, and the birthday is in the fall season. So it comes with this really sweet closure and this adorable charm that you see right here, and I will take you through that charm in just a few minutes. But it's the Soft Spine 1 style album, and the pages are a hybrid cardstock and envelope page, and the envelope page is right here, or the envelope hidden pocket is right here in the center, and you get this full size 4x6 photo mat that fits right in there in that hidden pocket. And then you also get an opportunity for a photograph over here and one in the very top. There's also a side pocket right here that you can see right here. So just in the one page alone, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities for photographs, and 6 with the hidden envelope pocket. So it's a little bit hard, so let me just open that up there. It's like a new book where you have to break that spine in. Love that. So let me just show you the paper just a little bit here in the decor that I did here, or my paper selection. So I used a little bit of the leaves here, some of the embellishments from the paper collection. Love that. How beautiful is that? Hopefully you can see the beautiful colors in that. So the pages are the same throughout the mini album, and just beautiful paper. I love it. Love the blue and the brown color combination. On your closure, it's a duct tape strap closure with a brad. I show everybody how to do this closure in the class, so lots of fun on that closure. Very versatile. You can use it for absolutely any mini album, and then it closes right there in the front with a large size eyelet. And that's one of the things that I love to do. Once you add your photographs and your flat embellishments, you can see there's still room for growth right there, even with all of the pages and everything that I have in here so far, and room for growth in your strap. So you're not going to get that alligator mouth that I am not crazy about. So this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Thanks so much. See you later. Bye.